the update. Right. You can see here, this is all attached perfectly. Okay. This is nice and secure here. This is nice and secure here. However, this putty has come loose. All right. So this stuff isn't the best. And as you can see, I'm having to use a jack to support the box. So essentially, the weight of the box is too much for the putty. Okay. So I don't really know what to do from here. Maybe get a temporary cable tie around here to hold it up so it doesn't fall, and fill in these gaps with some more putty to stop air leaks. But yeah, we're a bit stuck at the minute. So it's a shame. Good concept, but this stuff is just not anywhere near strong enough to hold the weight of this, because it just keeps falling. So I'm going to see what is the next step from here.